Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And what we have is another setup in front of us here. We have gold this time that has completed. This isn't so much a market cycle video. This is just a harmonic pattern in isolation, but it's very pretty. So let's start identifying it. We can either use this big swing up here as X or this swing here as X. Ultimately, the pattern is still anchored. So let's just take this guy as X for now. Down here's A, this swing here's B, swing C, up here's D. Now, AB equals CD is the common denominator. Just make sure it's all nice and exact, nice and neat. So we've got it at the moment. We have AB equals CD, AB equals CD. Now, next, confluence. What am I seeing? So I'm seeing in this CD leg, 3 pushes up. I like that. And I'm also seeing D anchored quite nicely. If we were to call this, for example, this is the 78% level. And if we're doing it from here, it's sitting at 50% level at the moment. So we are expecting weakness. For aesthetics only, I'm going to keep the pattern on here. I think it will look better. And also it's a lower risk trade because your stop loss would be lower. Anything above X would invalidate this trade. So let's just connect the dots last little bit, adjust that so it's there, and label this one 78.6. This is the 4-hour chart, obviously. I'm trading it, it could be the 5-minute chart, it doesn't matter. But it's better to see these opportunities on the bigger chart because there's more pips to play for. Let's just get that. That's the 78.6%. Without looking, just okay. This will be the 127. So that's a really nice setup for a Gartley sell-off, and we expect price to come lower. Another bit of confluence, we'll just do it in red, is because this low here has been taken out by this, price should give us this, an ABCD. So this is a real classic example of why trading with patterns is fractal, and we've got this little nugget down here that will probably look to be tested. So there we have it. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe, and I wish you all the best. Thanks.